खुशी का खुमार, क्या कहना। खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा, गुले गुलजार, क्या कहना। खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा, गुले गुलजार, क्या कहना। ऐ दिल लाया है बहार, अपनों का प्यार, क्या कहना। मिले हम छलक उठा, खुशी का खुमार, क्या कहना। ओ, ओ,
Hello, have you succeeded?
No, yaar, not yet. I'm scared.
Stop with your fears, just go and tell.
Mama, I'm going to a party.
What party, Shelby?
It's my friend's birthday party, Mom. Don't worry. I'm a grown up. I can manage myself now. Bye.
What is happening with Shelby? Whole time she is engaged on social media sites. उसकी स्टडीज भी अफेक्ट हो रही हैं और अब तो वो हमें कुछ बताती भी नहीं है और अपने डिसीजंस खुद ही ले रही है।
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है वो ऐसा क्यों कर रही है।
आज पार्टी के बाद मिडनाइट ड्राइव है. You are ready, right?
But, Mama won't allow.
Come on, Shelby. You are a grown up now.
Where did you get so much money from?
This, it's quite easy to manipulate our parents these days. They trust us so much. They believe anything. Enjoy the party and have fun.
I wanna be free, so I search to find my freedom. Freedom. Ooh, yeah. Freedom. Oh, freedom. Everything I have.
In this way, Shelby got freed from the clutches of social evils, and now she is nurturing and molding the young ones.
Other people's view. The participants of the program will be handed over to the parents from the assembly ground after the conclusion of the event. Thank you.
A message prepared in the mind reaches a mind. A message prepared in a life reaches a life. Now I request our chief guest, Colonel S.S. Karade, to kindly come up on the dais and share his valuable thoughts. I invite Reverend Father C.B. Joseph to accompany him.
Respected Principal Sister Lindsay, Most Reverend Bishop Gerald Almeida, Father C.B. Joseph, the entire faculty, proud parents and dear students, a very good evening to all of you. At the outset, my congratulations and best wishes to all of you on the annual day celebration of the school. I would also like to congratulate all the students and the staff behind the stage on the spectacular and the scintillating performance that they have put today. Can I request everyone in the audience to give them a big round of applause? I think they definitely deserve it. It is indeed an honor to be here this evening. And standing here, I feel maybe more than 30 years younger. I am reminded of my school days. And my teachers, like the excellent faculty out here, worked untiringly to mold us into good human beings. And thanks to the education that they imparted to me and my fellow mates, that we are doing very well, and whatever we are, it is due to the school education. The entire credits goes to my school, who taught me to excel despite hardships. And incidentally, when I noticed the logo, the motto of your school, Virtus in Arduo, that is excellence through hardships, I think what a fine motto to ingrain it into your students. That only when faced with difficult situations and adversities that we are able to come out our real selves. Like the Saint Aloysius uncle, which the children proudly referred to, at the tender age of 10, undertook severe fast to overcome his quick temper, and who believed that he was a twisted piece of iron and entered religion to straighten himself out. So for our character to shine like gold, I think we all need to walk through fire, face a lot of hardships. But these days, what do we do as parents? We do everything possible to make our child comfortable and make life easy for them. Nothing wrong with it. It's absolutely, every parent would like his child to be absolutely comfortable. But just for a moment, I think we need to stop and ask ourselves, what are we teaching our children in case we rush to their help every time they are about to struggle? Is it the correct approach? Why do I say that? Let's take an experiment that once you go at home, you take 3 pans of water. Maybe in one of the pans you fill in a carrot. In the other you put an egg. And in the third, you can have some ground coffee beans. Put them on the gas stove for 20 minutes. Let the water boil. What happens? The carrot would have lost some color, become soft and mushy. The egg would remain the same, but it'll be hard from inside. And what about the coffee beans? The water will be of a beautiful color with a rich aroma of the coffee. So what's the point that I'm trying to make? Is that the carrot, the egg, and the ground coffee beans faced the same adversity. That is the boiling water. But each reacted differently. As a parent, we need to ask, what would we like our child to be? Would we like it to be like a carrot who was strong, hard, unrelenting before it entered the hot water, but came out soft and mushy? Would we want our child to be like the egg, which was fragile, but after some time it came hardened from inside? Or would we like our children to be like the ground coffee beans that remained steadfast and confident? And instead of becoming either soft or hard, they transformed the adversaries or the troubling circumstances into something that was very beneficial. I leave it to you. But in case you want to make your children capable of taking decisions and turning a situation around, I think we need to build into them some good habits and inculcate discipline. Now, let me ask you another question. The parents can also think about it, that what is it, that activity which your children do the most after the school hours? Do they spend a lot of time studying after the school? Do they spend a lot of time playing outdoor games and sports? Do they like to walk in the nature? Or do they like to hone on their techno-savvy skills, which we saw, like what Shelby's world was into just now? Playing, maybe achieving good levels in the e-sports. That's the sports which the younger generation generally refers to as much, achieving a lot of excellence in maybe PUBG, Clash of Clans, Candy Crush, and so on, be on the WhatsApp, Facebook. I think the list is endless, or practicing TV, seeing TV or the mobile. Now, the reason I mentioned these activities is because as an experience of an interviewing officer, which I was in my last posting, where I was responsible for selecting students into the National Defense Academy or the Indian Army, where I'm supposed to interview, interacting with a large number of children of the age group of, say, 17 to 20, most of the children spend their time on TV, or that is the screen time, or mobile. Let me tell you that spending a large time on the mobiles or the screen time affects a children's confidence. It hampers their concentration, and it changes their perspective or outlook to life. I think most of the parents might be aware, or if in case they are not aware, the blue light which emanates from a mobile is like taking a shot of cocaine, which is a drug. And this has been proven through a lot of studies, and screen time has been considered as an addiction by the World Health Organization also. So we need to limit their screen time. Children need to interact with real friends and not the Facebook friends or the Insta friends where they have lots of followers, where their mood depends upon the likes which they get on their posts. So we need to move away from that. We need to limit their screen time. There is a lot of talk about vitamin N. Anybody in the audience who knows what is vitamin N? I mean to refer N as nature. Vitamin N is, the buzzword is vitamin nature. And you are very fortunate to be in a place like Jabalpur where there is so much of greenery and nature all around. Unlike in the bigger cities where children do not get that opportunity to be in nature. And do not for a moment ever think as a parent that a child, when he moves outside, he's wasting time and compromising on his study time. It's actually the opposite. A child, when he's outdoors, learns a lot. It's good for his mental health and his ability to learn, which automatically transforms into concentration and academic success. So let the daily routine be a good mix and a healthy mix of study as well as outdoor activities. And lastly, everybody knows that spending quality time with the children is very important. But what is equally important is spending quantity time. Spend a lot of time with your children. I think that is the biggest investment which you can have in the future for your children. I would like to conclude by combining the famous Chetwood motto that we as army officers need to pledge ourselves when we pass out from the portals of the Indian Military Academy, as well as the St. Aloysius School motto, which is perhaps even more relevant today than when it was initiated. May we as parents all promise ourselves today that whatever profession our children take, that we will always strive to achieve excellence through hardships, and that we will always ensure that we put the interests of the great country of ours always first and every time. And with that, I would once again like to congratulate each one of you, the parents, the teachers, the faculty, every one of you, for putting this wonderful show and the fruition of another landmark day of the school. And before I conclude, I would like to present a small gift, or you can say to the garden of knowledge, or to the school library, a book which has been authored by my wife. It's Jungle Book, and it was released in the Jaipur Literary Festival recently on the 15th of November. I would like my wife to present it to the principal or Father Chus. Yeah. It's the Jungle Book of Rhymes. A lot of things maybe for children to learn about. Thank you and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Now, we are going to have the most awaited prize distribution ceremony to acknowledge the talent and hard work of our academic toppers, the champions who have been struggling and facing many challenges and difficulties to be pioneers. In fact, that's all because of their own perseverance and consistency that they are selected as champions.
The academic toppers for the session 2021-22 are Master Sarvagya Pillai of class LKG has scored 95.62%.
Next, from class UKG, we have Master Rajat Kumar Jha with 95.12%.
Next we have from class 1, Master Atharv Kesharwani, who has scored 95.6%.
Next, from class 2 we have Adin Masi with 96.59%.
Master Anirudh Soni of class 3 has scored 94.9%.
Master Pratham Jain, class 4th, has scored 94.4%.
Next we have from class 5, Master Aradhya Yadav, 90.15%.
From class 6th we have Ronak Kumar Yadav with 90.71%.
Master Abhinav Singh Thakur from class 7th has scored 82.36%.
Last, we have Miss Nitya Jain, class 8 with 95.5%.
A champion shows the holistic attachment and approach in a specific field, but an all-rounder has many ways to go through and go on. Coming up next are the all-rounders of St. Aloysius School, Gaur, Jabalpur. Master Shivansh Gupta from class 3. Next we have Master Atharv Yadav from class 5.
We would also like to acknowledge one of our bright beginners, Inaya Fezan, a rising star of kindergarten, for her active participation. Thank you, sir. Your encouragement and support has been so valuable. Respected dignitaries, kindly take your seats. And dear audience, once again, let's give them a huge round of applause to all our academic achievers.
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. Music speaks that cannot be expressed, soothes the mind and gives its rest, heals the heart and makes it whole, flows from heaven to the soul. The alumni have spread colors in our lives within a short span of time with their childhood memories. So let's continue with Edusere 2022.
Ma'am Kokila asked him to find the keys of the piano, and he replied that, ma'am, all the keys are inside the almirah.
Salute to your confidence.
Oh, the good old days. Truly, it has connected me to the past musical concerts we used to have at school.
बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा। इसको तो डांस सिखाते सिखाते डांस टीचर ही रोने लगी थी भाई।
अरे यार, सबके सामने तो इंसल्ट मत करो मेरी।
अरे सब अपने तो हैं। पता है इसने क्या स्टेप किया था?
बट वो पपेट डांस कितना अच्छा था, जिसमें हम क्लास के लड़के सब साथ में थे।
यस, दैट वाज बेस्ट।
अटक अटक झटपट पन घट पर चटक मटक एक नार नवेली, गोरी गोरी ग्वालन की छोरी चली चोरी चोरी मुख मोरी मोरी मुस्काए अलवेली। कंकरी गली में मारी कंकरी कन्हैया ने पकड़ी बाह और की अटखेली, भरी पिचकारी मारी बोली परिहारी बोली
अरे जा रे हट लटपट ना छूट मेरा घूंघट, लटके दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे। अरे जा रे हट लटपट ना छूट मेरा घूंघट, लटके दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे। मुझे समझो ना तुम भोली भाली रे।
आया होली का त्योहार, उड़े रंग की बौछार, तू है नार नखरेदार मतवाली रे, आज मीठी लगे है तेरी गाली रे।
जा रे हट लटपट ना छूट मेरा घूंघट, लटके दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे। मुझे समझो ना तुम भोली भाली
धरती है लाल आज अंबर है लाल, हो धरती है लाल आज अंबर है लाल, उड़ने दे गोरी गालों का गुलाल। मत लाज का आज घूंघट निकाल, दे दिल की धड़कन पे धिनक धिनक ताल। झांझ बजे चंग बजे संग में मृदंग बजे, अंग में उमंग खुशियाली रे, आज मीठी लगे है तेरी गाली रे।
अरे जा रे हट लटपट ना छूट मेरा घूंघट, लटके दूंगी आज तुझे गाली रे। मुझे समझो ना तुम भोली भाली
Yeah, I miss our school surrounding. So beautiful, fresh and delightful.
Yeah, I second that. ये खुली हवा और ये प्रदूषण मुक्त स्कूल
Nowadays, देखने मिलता ही कहाँ है? So many trees and living in the city has already puffed up my lungs with bad air.
పోడి కమల పోడి కట్టానంద మామ కన్నె పిల్లల జోరే జోడో కమల పోడి కట్టానంద మామ కన్నె పిల్లల జోరే జోడో What have we done to the world? Look what we've done. What about all the peace that you pledged your only son? Did you ever stop to notice all the children dead from war? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth as we make sure
St. Aloysius School Gore is requesting you all to say no to plastic. The Most Reverend Bishop Gerald Almeida to address the gathering and inspire our parents and students. Also, I invite Reverend Father C.B. Joseph to accompany our guest of honor.
Respected Mr. Karade, Chief Guest, Principal Sister, Manager, dear teachers, and also dear parents, and very especially dear students. At the outset, I would like to congratulate you, dear student. The journey of life is long and whole life is before you. Even in this young age, you have shown your talents, participated wholeheartedly, and very enjoyable way you have presented the item that you are participating. So I'd like to congratulate you. You are the future of your parents, future of this society, and future of the country. It is through you this country will flourish, may grow as an international community, bringing credit to the country, credit to each one of us. So therefore, I congratulate you for the great participation that you have done. May God bless you is my expression. इसके साथ साथ मैं ये भी बताना चाहता हूँ माता पिताओं, आप लोग यहाँ बहुत बड़े संख्या में आए हो अपने बच्चों का प्रदर्शन देखने के लिए, खुशी मनाने के लिए। आपसे मेरा अनुरोध है माता पिताओं, जैसे हमारे मुख्य अतिथि ने कहा, बच्चों को समय देना। अब ये बच्चे आज के दिन यहाँ भागीदार बने और हर दिन वो ये स्कूल में आएंगे, अनुभव को बटोरेंगे और घर आएंगे। मानव का स्वभाव है कि जो अनुभव सीखता है, समझता है, अपनाता है, उसको दूसरों को देना चाहता है। इसलिए माता का और पिता का काम है, एक दायित्व है, जिम्मेदारी है, उनको सुनना। केजी वाले हो, 5th स्टैंडर्ड हो, 8वीं स्टैंडर्ड हो या 12वीं वाले हो, उनको सुनिए। उनके पास ढेर सारा अनुभव है, दिन भर स्कूल में बिताते समय, स्कूल के शिक्षा के ग्रहण करते समय जो इन्होंने अपनाया उसको बताना चाहते हैं। मम्मी के पास और पापा के पास समय होना है। और इतना ही नहीं, अगर आप सुनने के लिए समय दोगे, मम्मी विशेष करके बच्चे बच्चियों को समय देंगे, वे आपके दोस्त बनेंगे और आपके कहने के अनुसार ही वे चलते रहेंगे। नहीं तो जैसे ये नाटक में एक बेटी ने कहा, मैं जा रही हूं, मैं तो बड़ी हो गई हूं, मैं जा रही हूं। वही भावना आपके बच्चा, बेटा या बेटी बताएंगे आपको। अगर आप नहीं सुनोगे, समय नहीं है आपके पास उनको सुनने का, उनसे वार्तालाप करने का, उनको सहयोग देने का अगर समय नहीं है, जब वो बड़े बनेंगे उनको भी आपके लिए समय नहीं है, वो मनमाने करेंगे। ये पक्का है। बेटा अपने मन में जाएगा, बेटी अपने मन के अनुसार करेगी, ना मम्मी को सुनेगी ना पापा को सुनेगी। ये स्वभाव है, मानव स्वभाव है आपका और मेरा। दोस्त बनना है अपने बच्चों के साथ, दोस्त बनना है, जिगरी दोस्त बनाओ अपने बच्चियों का, बच्चों का, बेटे का, बेटी का, जिगरी दोस्त बनिए, समय दीजिए। इसीलिए मम्मी पापा को याद रखना, जब बच्चे आने के बाद अगर आपको टीवी देखना है, क्योंकि टीवी में क्या आता है, सास का और बहू का झगड़ा, नहीं तो ससुर का और पड़ोसी का झगड़ा, जो भी है उसको देखने के लिए आ जाएगा, सबको उसी में पीछे पड़ोगे। और बेटा बेटी आपके पास आएंगे, ले लो मोबाइल, ले लो, बैठो। सुनने के लिए फुर्सत नहीं है मम्मी को, सुनने के लिए फुर्सत नहीं पापा को। पापा तो पैसा कमाने के लिए जाता है। पैसा कमाओ, इतना नहीं कमाना जो खर्च करने के लिए समय नहीं होगा आपके पास भी, ना बच्चे के पास। उतना ही कमाओ जिसको कमा के अपने बच्चे को दोस्त बनाओ, जिगरी दोस्त बनाओ, जिगरी दोस्त जो कि आपके कहने के अनुसार चलने वाला बेटा या बेटी, और आपके सलाह के बिना कोई भी निर्णय नहीं लेगा, वो ना लेगी। अगर आपके पास समय नहीं है और आप वो टीवी के पीछे, बहू और ससुर के पीछे झगड़ा को देखते बैठोगे, तो कल मत बताना बेटी भी जाएगी अपने गली और बेटा भी जाएगा अपने गली, बाद में पछताओगे, बताओगे मेरा बेटा बेटी नहीं सुनते हैं मुझे। मेरे पास एक परिवार आया था, एक मम्मी आई थी 2 बच्चों को लेके, मैं नहीं जानता उनको, उसका हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं वो बच्चे। वो मुझे बताती है, फादर जी ये मेरे बेटे बेटी को बताइए, वो मेरे साथ रोज मंदिर नहीं आते उन लोग। मैं बताया, मैं क्या बताऊं भाई जी, मैं कैसा बताऊं ये बच्चों को? क्या आपने जब वे छोटे थे क्या उनको आप सुने, क्या समय दिया, क्या उनको दोस्त बनाया, क्या नहीं बनाया था? तो बनाने के सीखी, आज से शायद 1 आध साल में वो परिवर्तित हो जाएंगे। इसीलिए माता पिता से मेरा करबंद प्रार्थना है, नम्र निवेदन है प्यारे भाइयों, कि अपने बच्चों को जिगरी दोस्त बनाइए। आपका बेटी को और बेटे को जिगरी दोस्त बनाइए, समय दीजिए, उनको सुनिए। और वर्तमान में ये क्या 2 बच्चे हैं, बच्चा खेलना चाहता है, क्रिकेट खेलना चाहता है बेटा, और लड़की तो और क्या खेलना चाहती है, कोई नहीं है घर में। और आप लोग नहीं छोड़ोगे पड़ोसी के घर में जाने के लिए। अगर ऐसा है तो आप खेलिए ना, उनके साथ दौड़िए, उनके साथ क्रिकेट के लिए, और जो भी जरूरत है उनके साथ भागीदार बनिए। तभी आपका बेटा बेटी आप जो चाहते हैं वो करेगा, जैसे बढ़ना चाहते हैं बढ़ेगा, और आपका सहयोग सदा करते रहेगा। ये मेरा अनुरोध है। उसके साथ साथ जो संदेश अभी अभी दिया, प्लास्टिक का इस्तेमाल बंद करना, बहुत सरल है। अगर पर्यावरण की रक्षा करना चाहते हो, पर्यावरण से प्यार है आपका, पर्यावरण की रक्षा पर सहयोग देना चाहते हो, ताकि पर्यावरण को बचा के रखें, आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए एक सुंदर धरती माता को छोड़ के जाएं, तो आपको, मुझे, हम सबों को, आने वाली पीढ़ी को बहुत ही जोरदार प्रभावशाली ढंग से प्लास्टिक को दूर करना है, गंदगी नहीं फैलाना है। और पुराने हमारे आजा उन लोग इस्तेमाल करते थे, वही प्लेट को इस्तेमाल करके उसको धो के फिर ये करना है, ना कि ये प्लास्टिक का ला के यहाँ वहाँ फेंकना है। ये बहुत ही खतरनाक है आपके लिए, मेरे लिए, हम सबों के लिए, आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए। जो संदेश बच्चों ने दिया बहुत ही आकर्षक है, जरूरी है आपके लिए और मेरे लिए, पर्यावरण की रक्षा करने के लिए। इतना कहते हुए फिर एक बार मैं हर एक शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं को, प्रबंधक समुदाय को मेरा नमन करता हूँ, सलाम करता हूँ। परिवार में 2 बच्चे हैं, उनको संभालना मुश्किल है। यहाँ इतना बच्चों को एक व्यवस्थित करके ये स्टेज पर आकर एक सुंदर प्रस्तुति देना सरल नहीं है, बहुत दिन का काम है। जो मेहनत यहाँ के शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं ने, प्रबंधक समुदाय किया है, उनको सबको सलाम, उनके लिए जोर से ताली बजाइए। और वैसा ही मैनेजमेंट को, फादर मैनेजर को, प्रिंसिपल को और सभी कार्यकर्ताओं को मेरा नमन, धन्यवाद। इतना कहते हुए फिर एक बार बधाई, शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Invite our principal, Sister Lindsay, to come up on the stage for the prize distribution.
Waste of time, but a state of mind. Keep pushing your limits until you reach the edge. Then be kind and rewind. Now I request our guest of honor, the Most Reverend Bishop Gerald Almeida, to reward our champions.
The Grand Cultural Carnival Tarang, organized by St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School, Cant, Jabalpur, in collaborations with all schools under JDES DCJ. The Aloysian Stars bagged prizes are Miss Disha Shatri, Category C, first prize in solo dance. Next, we have Master Adhyan Pathak, Category D, third prize in radio jockey.
Coming up next are the sports achievers of the session 2022-23. Master Abhineet Ranjan Sinha of class 7 had participated and bagged medals in 46th MP State Sub-Junior and Senior Swimming Championship 2022. Gold medal 100 meters freestyle, silver medals 50 meters freestyle, 50 and 100 meters butterfly and 200 meters freestyle. Bronze medal 200 meters freestyle and 50 meter butterfly in JSSC. Also second position in inter-school basketball competition.
Another sports achievers from class 9th are Master Shaurya Prajapati, who has won silver medal under 16 in the state level netball tournament. Again, for the same event, we have Miss Nitya Jain, who has won bronze medal under 14.
Master Vaibhav Ben has received silver medal in 3000 meters and gold medal in 800 meter race and has qualified as a straight player.
Let us all clap together once again, my dear parents. We have one more champion of class 1, Master Alex Paul, who has received silver and bronze medal in All India Karate Championship 2022. Dear parents, give a huge round of applause to our champions for bringing laurels to the institution. Thank you, respected dignitaries. Kindly take your seats. Thank you. Dear parents, you all have been a very lovely audience. Kindly be seated till the end of the program as the most awaited show that will represent the heritage of India will be coming soon.
Thanksgiving is a time of togetherness and gratitude, and acknowledging the good that you have in your life is the foundation for all abundance. Now I request our principal, Sister Lindsay, to extend vote of thanks.
May the Lord's name be praised because He has blessed us with an amazing day, successful program and immense joy. Honorable Chief Guest Colonel S.S. Karade, the Commanding Officer CMB Jabalpur, the Most Reverend Bishop Gerald Almeida, the President of JDS, our most valued invited guests, Reverend Fathers, sisters, loving parents, teachers, and my dear students. I deem it my proud privilege to stand before you all to place on a record the contribution of every noble card towards the success of today's event. Give thanks to the Lord, call upon His name, make His deeds known among the people. Gratitude produces deep, abiding joy because we know that God is working in us. First and foremost, we thank the Lord the Almighty who has designed and refreshed our souls with sweet streams of blessings. His unfailing love keeps us march forward to a better tomorrow. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our sincere appreciation and gratitude to our chief guest, Colonel S.S. Karade, the commanding officer CMB Jabalpur, for kindly accepting our invitation and being with us this evening in spite of his busy schedule. We are greatly encouraged by your gracious presence and immensely benefited by your inspiring address. Thank you, sir. I take immense pleasure in thanking the Most Reverend Bishop Gerald Almeida for being with us, gracing the occasion, and inspiring us with your words of wisdom. It is indeed your presence this evening that has made it a joyous one for all of us. Thank you, dear Bishop Ji. On behalf of Aloysian family, I sincerely thank our manager, Reverend Father C.B. Joseph, who always motivates and guides us in all our endeavors. Your timely suggestions and presence makes us creative, responsible, and committed. Our sincere thanks to Reverend Dr. Davis George, Director of State Campus, and Father Ben Anton Rose for always being there to guide and support us. We acknowledge the valuable presence of the dignitaries from various institutions, Reverend Fathers, brothers, sisters, friends, and well-wishers for your support and encouragement for being a part of this grand event. With grateful heart, we recollect the valuable services rendered by the teaching and non-teaching staff of St. Aloysius School, Kent, for extending their helping hands in making the program a grand success. Special thanks to Ashish sir, Varun sir, Noman sir, Shaji sir, and Umesh sir. Dear parents, I am quite sure this evening has made you proud seeing your ward perform for you as a token of love, affection, and gratitude. We, the Aloysian family, are happy to have you with us as you fill the campus with the fragrance of your goodness. I would like to congratulate and thank all the vibrant Aloysians for their wonderful performance in the various programs. You are the central focus not only today, but you are the focus of every moment of your stay in this temple of learning. I thank you, dear students, for your excellent performance this evening. I would like to appreciate the students who received the awards for the various categories. Special thanks to students, volunteers, and band of St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School, Kent. Learn to let go, and your hands will be free to conquer your tomorrows. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of passionate and committed teachers for making this day very special by bringing out the best in every child. My heartfelt thanks to Miss Amreen Ansari, Mrs. Pooja Sisodia, committee members, and all in charges, coordinators of various programs. My thanks also to each and every dedicated staff member who work together as a team and have accomplished things that no individual working alone could hope to bring about. Thank you, dear teachers, for guiding and motivating our students. I am grateful to our administrative and non-teaching staff who rendered their support for success of the program. Our sincere thanks to the police department for the security and traffic arrangements. My sincere thanks to Raja Tent House, Anand Sound, stage setters, photographers, and all those who have added color and festivity to this program. Once again, I thank all of you for being with us. Gratitude costs nothing, but it is a big investment in the future. Once again, we renew our gratitude and spread the fragrance of love. Thank you. Good night. God bless you all.
Of India lies in the diversity of its people. Let us all keep the legacy of unity in our hearts and minds and move ahead in the journey of Edusare 2022.
I am in Gujarat now. Do you know, because of my profession, I got the opportunity to witness diversities in different parts of our country, our beautiful India.
Me too. When I visit different states for the purpose of election, I get wonderstruck, experiencing the vibrant cultures of our country.
Friends, didn't you realize how much we have learned because of a school and education? It's truly marvelous to take pride in seeing ourselves in different destinations and returning back with success and stories.
Yes, we are the future of our country.
We are the future of India.
तुम
আসাম দেশে চাইকে বাগানে গাছে ফলে সোনারু পারে साहबे आने रहे कलगाड़ी में चापाई के साहबे आने रहे कलगाड़ी में चापाई के घर बाड़ी छोड़े आली बागाने काम करते ले सोना रूपा पाते ले साहब गेलो विदेशे चली मोरे धनी जाबो हमरा कहारे घुरी साहब गेलो विदेशे चली उड़िया मुंडा तेलेंगा माझी सावताल साउरा उड़िया मुंडा तेलेंगा माझी सावताल साउरा सब मिले होई गेली हमरा बागानिया नतुना सामिया हरियाली चाहा के बागान मोरे धनी कहा जाबो छारे आसाम हरियाली चाहा के बागान मोरे धनी कहा जाबो छारे आसाम मिली रे
जीव झाला येडा पिसा त्याचा नाही भरवसा तोल राहीना राखली की मर्जी तुमच्या जोडीनं मी आले फिरतीच्या या रंगी राया चिंबोली मी झाले राया सोडा तरी काळ येळ नाही बरी पुन्हा भेटू कवा तरी साजना मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आवाजले की बारा 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 एकाच पैशाचा मला पेता असं काय करता दादी लाखेट टाकी क्या बाजारी हे सहाची ती गाडी गेली नावाची ती गेली आता बाराची गाडी निघाली हिला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आवाजले की बारा मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी आवाजले की बारा
ചുവണ്ണെ കുയിലാലെ താരേ കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം ഓ
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन गए विजयी भव विजयी भव गगन गए विजयी भव आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो
The world is the body, and India is its life.
We spread our love all over, wherever we go.
We Aloysians are taught unique qualities that makes us divine.
Let's all unite to build our nation through education, which is the pathway for well-being.
ना थके हैं अभी पैर, ना अभी हिम्मत हारी है, हौसला है जिंदगी में कुछ कर दिखाने का, इसलिए अभी भी सफर जारी है.
The evening is lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep, and miles to go before we sleep, and miles to go before we sleep.
It is said there is an end to everything, but we believe there is never an end, but always a new beginning.
With this, we come to an end of our program,
Educerate 2022.
We have made some cherished memories with all our delightful guests and youthful parents. So, it's with happy memories we all go out the doors with great hope and expectations for what next year holds in store.
With this, we come to an end. I hope you all enjoyed this mesmerizing cultural banquet. I, Arnav Roy,
and I, Nitya Jain,
on behalf of St. Aloysius School, God Jabalpur, thank you all for making this day a memorable one. Signing off, goodbye, good evening. Thank you.